Okay, I'm going to try and make this video short because the last time I tried to do this video I was interrupted and well, I can't. Well, the last time I was interrupted, I was about to be done with this video, but I'm going to try and make it shorter. Try to, I don't know. But yeah, the problem that I ran across, once again, as I said before, the problem that I ran across is that the hard drive problem. The CPU, if you overload it, if you overload the CPU, down there you can see that, but if you overload it, you can actually come across a problem that says an error has occurred in the boot drive or the hard disk. So you press Control Alt Delete to try and restart it, to try and see if that fixes it. You can't, and if it doesn't, then I'm here to show you the steps. Now there's only 2 steps basically. The 2 steps are to very easily but very complicated. Be careful about it, but take the power cable out of the hard drive, including the video one. Take those 2 out. As soon as you take them out, you don't have to take the hard drive completely out. Just take them out. Keep on putting every time you, and make sure you hit that switch on every single desktop. Hit that switch to turn off the power completely in it. That way you won't have to unplug it. That flipping switch actually turns off all the power in it. It cuts off the power. Basically, you already all know this, so I'm just gonna make it quick. Or if you don't know it, I'll try to explain it more in detail if I make it long. The thing is, after you do this, you just have to keep on disconnecting them, reconnecting them, and every time you do that, and every time you reconnect them, you just have to flip that switch on, turn it on, and see if it works. If it doesn't, flip the switch again, disconnect them, reconnect them, or disconnect them for 1 minute, 1 full minute, then reconnect them. Turn the switch on, and if it doesn't work, then keep on doing the same steps. Keep on doing the steps. Keep on and keep on, over and over and over and over. And as long as you do that, you should be good. If it doesn't work, then you might actually have to get another hard drive. But I'm just saying this might be a quick fix for anyone that has a hard drive as bad as mine. But yeah. But as you can see, right now I'm trying to fix my hard drive on the inside, trying to defrag it. Now don't worry about the software I'm using to defrag it with. You can use any type of software. You can even use the defragmentator or whatever it is, the defrag inside a computer that's built in. You can use that. If you're like me and you care a lot about electronics, like me, then I try my very best to fix them. Once at my house anyways. But yeah, I have a computer over there that's no good. I have to take the motherboard out because there's a virus on it. And I'm hoping any of you in the comment section can help me out, because I cannot for the life of me figure out what is on that motherboard. That motherboard literally has a type of virus that if you were to connect a hard drive to it, that virus would transmit from that motherboard and go into the hard drive. Part of it. I don't know if it copies itself or not, but it does something, and it sends a message to the, either sends a virus or a message straight to the hard drive, making it unable to process it, and it attacks the boot sector as far as I know. Any of you if any of you, or any of you all, or any of y'all, like they say, country, can figure out or help me figure out what that type of virus is, that'll help me out greatly. So, trying to make this short, but I failed. Well, I want to get off. I was just trying to show you the 2 easy and very complicated steps of getting your hard drive back to working without having to get a new one. But if it doesn't work the first 5 or 10 times, you're going to have to get another hard drive because that one's complete. And what I mean by complete is I mean done for. Well, wait a minute. You can't actually do one thing, but it's too advanced. You need to make sure you have a cloth, a light cloth, and I figured this out a few months ago. Well, a few years ago when I was working on my first computer. What you need to do is take a clean cloth, a cotton cloth, whatever, to make sure it doesn't scratch at all. And what you need to do is just take the hard drive the top of the hard drive out. Take the whole top of it off. Here. No, correct. Can't show you. What happened to the other? Dang it. The other hard drive, the black one that I had, I took it apart. I took a lot of hard drives in my days apart for PCs like this, and you notice I keep it focused on my hard drive or my PC because I don't want to show you much of my room. But well, to be precise, to be more precise, taking the top of the hard drive out, taking the disk, and it's very complicated on how to take the disk out apart. You're gonna have to search that out too, but I'm not gonna be able to show you in this video. Comment down below if you want me to take a hard drive disk out while viewing it, recording it, and I will. But I'll see you. But that was just easy steps on how to get your that was just easy steps on how to get your hard drive back to working after it says error has occurred. Control-Alt-Delete to restart it. That was a easy fix video, but very complicated fix for me. But luckily, I somehow managed to fix it. But I'll see you all later.